Hey guys, welcome back to part 3 of the series of videos in which I'm showing you how to create a snake game using just HTML and JavaScript. So this is part 3, and in this part I'm going to show you how to provide the keyboard inputs to move our snake inside the grid in either of the 4 directions, top and bottom and left and right. So to get the keyboard input, what we can do is we can write document.addEventListener and we can listen to the key down event, and we can bind a function to it which will be called every time any key is pressed. So function, and it is going to have the argument for the event. Alright, now in this function we need to get a new direction depending on the key which has been pressed. So if the up key has been pressed, then the direction is going to be up direction, and so on and so forth. Also, if the new cell block which is in the next direction is not valid, then we will keep on using the current direction. So let's first have the variable for the block, and let's also have the current direction as the direction which is currently set. And now we will write the if conditions to fetch the new direction. If the key code is 38, which belongs to the up arrow, then the direction is going to be 3, which we are using for up direction. And similarly for right, left and down directions, we are going to use the key code 39, 37 and 40, and we will use their respective directional integer values. After this, we will fetch the block which is inside the next direction by calling this getDirectionalBlock function and providing the snake's head, x and y values as arguments, and also the new direction. If the new block is not valid, then we will need to keep on using the current direction, and that can be done by a simple if condition. If the new block is not valid, then we will set the direction again as current direction. So we are doing this because we don't want to accept an invalid directional input. We need the user to not be able to give a new valid directional input while the game is running and this interval function is executing, because only then it will be making sense to end the game for the user, because the user has run out of time to provide a new direction. So with that, I guess our code is finished, and now it's time to see if it is working or not. So let's try to enter a size, and let's also open up the console to see if there will be any errors. Let's click on the start, and there is an error. Random IDX is not defined. So okay, so this looks like a typo. All right, the page has been refreshed automatically. Let's click on start. Okay, so it looks like the game is working now. Interval function is not defined. All right, I guess there is another typo over here. Interval function. All right, so I guess this should fix the error. And now let's run it again. Let's provide a grid size of 10. Click on start, and now there is no error. The snake is moving and the page is accepting the keyboard inputs, and the snake head is consuming the rodents. So it looks like the code is working and the game is playable. Let's see how much score we can accumulate, and the speed is increasing. Okay, so now it has become difficult to play this. Okay, all right, I don't know how much longer I can keep this up. The speed is too much, and okay, the game is over. So you get the idea, right? I mean, the speed will keep on increasing and the snake will move faster with each consumed rodent, and the score will also keep on increasing. Now this code is kind of easy, but it is lengthy to write. We need to take into account and consideration all of the conditions that can occur while the game is being played, and this game is by no means a perfect code, and there could be bugs and errors which can be found. If you want to use this code in your projects, and feel free to use it. It's it's free. You can do whatever you want to do with this code. And with that, I guess I am going to take my leave because there is nothing else to show you guys in this video. So I hope that you have liked this video, and I hope that you will find it useful in your projects and for your existing understanding of JavaScript language and HTML itself. So if you think that you like this video, then feel free to place a like on it and also hit the subscribe button to be able to stay updated with the new videos which are coming out every now and then. And if you need to say anything or if you have any questions, then feel free to use the comments area and I will reply as soon as possible. With that, I will take my leave and I will see you in the next video. Till then, have a great time.